right, guys, this is it. Your last weekend to enter to win our Raptor here. It all ends Christmas Eve at midnight for your chance to win this Raptor. And I'm gonna eat a little crow here because this is probably our last truck giveaway on a StangMode channel because we're a StangMode channel. It didn't do too well. Not too many people entered compared to our 500 and 350 and New Edge giveaways. So we learned a lesson. I thought I'd jump the truck market. Not too many people entered. But what that means for you is a good thing, is that if you did enter, you have a better chance to win. If you're on the fence about entering, you still can win. This is an epic truck. I mean, 100,000 mile Ford warranty. We have the chase rack, the roof rack, the cube lights. It has awesome, epic camo wrap. It's black underneath, so someone's gonna get a great truck. But I'll probably break even. What I mean by that, still gotta pay for the truck, still gotta pay for the items, still gotta pay for shipping, still gotta pay for all the staff. So that's what that means. Our loss is your gain. Someone's gonna get this truck, so enter now before it's too late. Which is why we're also checking out this new car bringing to the channel, our first classic Mustang. So we're getting back to the Mustang game with the giveaways and whatnot. But this is it. This is coming to an end. The Sandman Raptor. Someone's gonna get a great truck. We are half capacity people who've entered, and I get it because we're a Mustang and StangMode and Raptor. It didn't really jive, but it's all good. Love this truck. Looking forward to giving it to somebody. But you gotta enter to win for me to be able to give it away to you. So check it out now, StangMode.com. Grab yourself a Christmas sweater like this, a combo box, a hat, a hoodie, a keychain, enter to win. All right, on to the video. Good luck. All right, guys, I am here at the StangMode headquarters, the place where we do all our giveaways, and Vinny has just come up with something very nice. He's got a new Mustang. Let's see what he got here, guys. Congratulations. Welcome back to the Mustang game with a new Cobra. Very nice, bro.
What do you think, dude?
I love it. I love it.
What's it doing?
Sounds great. What do you guys think of this new build? Got a classic Cobra Mustang, bro.
Well, yeah, I know it's not the most favorite of the Mustangs, but dude, I like it. It's so small, it's like a go-kart.
Well, can I drive it?
Yeah.
All right, let's strap it up. It's my first time driving a All right, guys. We have got a classic Mustang here. What's the history about this car? You said it's the Mustang II. So it's when the Mustangs got smaller, right?
Yeah, so a Mustangs originally started out as small pony cars, no V8 options. And they got bigger and bigger as muscle cars. And then the oil situation happened, and they had to kind of go back to a small car. And I don't know if it was by choice or just because of the oil situation, but they came out in 72, I believe, with this.
Like, it's my first time driving this, and I'm loving it, dude. I really like it.
Oh,
How much did this cost?
it was like 9-ish, 10.
9-ish?
10.
100?
But why not get into something that is, it doesn't need a ton of work.
Yeah.
It needs a little bit of work, and it isn't over like breaking the bank, and I can get an idea of like if I really want to get into a 60s car and pay all that extra money. Because I may find out this is a huge pain. Like I already found out it's a pain trying to get my classic tags. It's gonna take weeks to get them.
I can tell you what this car needs. Very simple.
Cats?
Heat, alignment, and you're good.
Yeah, I mean, other than the...
When I say alignment, I just want to see what I'm talking about.
Don't crash.
is some cool stuff about old classic cars. What do we got here?
How to start a cold engine, which I love is like turnkey on position, press accelerator fully to the floor, then turnkey to start until engine starts, then release key. If engine fails to start, wait 3 to 4 seconds and repeat procedure. Could you imagine telling a consumer that in a car today?
Oh my gosh, they'd be like, no. We're gonna hear this from people. This is not a Pinto. Or is it a Pinto?
So they took the Pinto and then they stretched it, widened it, and gave it a whole new suspension, a whole new rear frame, and so they worked off the design, but it wasn't like they just took a Pinto, rebadged it, and said, okay, here's your Mustang.
Yeah.
It wasn't the case. But it has that 70s era Pinto look to it.
Yeah, but that color is nice. Stance is good. And the gauges, yo, these gauges are fire. Look at that. I like this.
I know, it is kind of cool. It gives you that old school feel to it.
But I tell you what, we're going 40 miles an hour, so they're going 120.
Dude.
I'm like, oh, this is crazy.
The highway was absolutely insane. I said, this is the scariest, funnest car
Well,
I've
this
ever
is a
driven.
weekend cruiser, cars and coffee deal.
Oh yeah, you
right?
definitely don't.
Look at that. It's just so fun.
What do you think?
I love it, dude. I'm a little jealous. I never had a classic Mustang. You got one before me. All these gauges, dude. This is all. I always wanted a Pet Boy steering wheel. No, but like the cool steering wheels they have. If I can get like one of the wood ones, I'm definitely about it. I wanted to get a chance to drive Vinny's new, comeback tour to YouTube with his Cobra Mustang II. So I'll continue to follow this build and his content with it by going to his YouTube channel, Tunnel Chaser, also his Instagram. And if you don't know, me and him partnered up and we're doing our giveaways together. So you can check out some more of his content behind the scenes of what him and his staff does with our mystery boxes, all of our merch, all that kind of good stuff. That's the man with the plan. But pretty cool stuff you got here, bro. Congrats. Enjoy. Can't wait to see what you do with it.
Yeah, you need to get a truck so when I start breaking down, you can.
Well, unfortunately, the Raptor goes away, but we'll see what's next. Maybe that GT500 Raptor. But I really appreciate this. This is super nice. I'm actually like enjoying myself a lot more than I thought I would. I'm pleasantly surprised, if that makes any sense.
And what's great is even if you hate the front end or the rear or whatever it is, when you get inside, it still feels like I'm driving an old school classic.
No, I have this nostalgic, like, I feel like an old school muscle car guy now. It feels good. And surprisingly, it's so light and it doesn't feel as boaty as some of the old muscle cars.
Yeah.
Where it feels like the way the modern cars should feel. Like all the modern, like what is the Mustang? 3,800 pounds, 4,100 pounds now.
They get
This
heavier.
feels-
Gets heavier and
feels
heavier.
good. Probably the safety features they have in there now. But you don't need all that. This is good stuff. All right, guys, I'm gonna have fun. Keep driving this. Appreciate the support. Check out Vinny and Tunnel Chaser YouTube and enter that Raptor giveaway. As you know, it never ends. I will say this. This car is more roomy than like my 500.
Dude, it's weird, right?
I can't explain it. It's super roomy. Super nice, dude.
I did not expect.
This stance right here, like this angle is so cool.
You had to find the handle.
Find the handle.